Goodwill was able to expand our presence on Route 66 and contribute to the revitalization of the Route in West Tulsa, something that we're extremely proud of. Our goal was to design a store that celebrated Tulsa's Art Deco history and Route 66.